In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping regions to your Payhip store. This is a vital step for any online store owner who wants to ensure that the shipping process is smooth and efficient for customers from different parts of the world. So let's dive in and get started on setting this up together. First things first, you'll need to access your shipping settings. Begin by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're logged in, head over to your settings page. You'll see a tab labeled Shipping. Go ahead and click on that. If you prefer a more direct route, you can use the link payhip.com/settings/shipping to get there immediately. Now that we're in the shipping settings, it's time to create shipping zones. On this page, you'll notice the general shipping profile. Next to it, there's an Edit button. Click on it. This action will prompt you to create a shipping zone, which is essentially a group of countries or regions to which you'll apply specific shipping rates. Think of a shipping zone as your way of organizing the destinations for your products. For instance, you might want to name a zone Domestic for local deliveries, International for global orders, or something like Asia Pacific, depending on the regions you plan to cover. Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and select all the countries you wish to include in this zone from the provided list. With your shipping zone set up, the next step is to establish shipping rates. These rates determine what your customers will be charged to have their orders delivered, and there are a few options here. You can choose a flat rate, where you charge a fixed amount for shipping, no matter the weight or total of the order. This option is straightforward and often preferred for its simplicity. Alternatively, there's the item weight method, which bases the shipping cost on the cumulative weight of the items in the cart. A smart choice for when weight is a significant factor in shipping costs. Lastly, you have the order price option, allowing you to charge shipping fees based on the total price of the order, which can be beneficial for incentivizing larger purchases with reduced shipping rates. For those with more specific shipping requirements, clicking on Advanced Options offers further customization. Here, you can decide whether to add extra shipping fees for incremental quantities in the cart. While this can be useful for certain business models, it's generally a good idea to leave this option unchecked unless your shipping costs significantly increase with additional quantities of product. And that's it. You now have your shipping regions and rates seamlessly integrated into your Payhip store. This setup ensures that your customers see clear and concise shipping options, no matter where they're ordering from. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.